sounds like this. Yar! Can you all do a happy yar for me, mates? Aye, kind of like when you get that first date and you're hooked.
Okay.
Aye, you know what I'm talking about, right? Aye. Or maybe...
Take the cake! Shake your pirate booty! I'm done.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
No, not you, Charlie. I know you're old. Yeah, he's not tired. Hey, Crossbones, we have to go. 2 more exams.
Okay.
Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jellyfish! Hoist the colors! Drop the anchor! Whoop! 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 Jazzers! Take it, take. Make it rain and shake your pirate booty and pass out. Okay. So, mates, everyone, have a go at that jellyfish jiggle. Whoa, 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 matey. How can you wasn't doing anything?
Whoa.
Oh, wow, look at that face.
But look, there's a... Are you gonna miss her? There's a duplicate right here.
Hi, it be the Black Spirit.
Want you to come back for some more?
No.
Last time I sunk you, don't you remember?
No, we really don't. That was a dream.
That's a fantasy.
Look, we're here to ask you a question.
Yeah.
You see, we found this map.
Stop pulling, mate, stop. I see it. It's so heavy. It's, oh my gosh, an amazing day to be a pirate. Ah.
Now, mates,
Wow.
to open this treasure, we all need to be up at the front of the ship.